If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. When viewing reports displayed within QuickBooks, you will often see transaction data or summary totals of transaction data. You can use the QuickZoom feature when viewing reports within QuickBooks to show the detail data used to display summary values in reports. These details will appear in a separate report window. You can also use this feature on any transaction detail entry displayed within a detail report to open the transaction itself in a separate window. Also, when viewing graphs in QuickBooks, you can use the QuickZoom feature to view a breakdown of the graphic data in either a separate graph or separate report. In summary, you can use this feature to trace any report data or graph data back to its original sources. As such, this tool can be an easy way to open transaction data from within reports when viewing them on screen. To use the QuickZoom feature on any report or graph displayed in QuickBooks, hold your mouse pointer over any line within a report or graphic within a graph until you see the mouse pointer turn into the QuickZoom symbol. The QuickZoom symbol is a magnifying glass with a small Z inside of it. When you see the mouse pointer turn into this symbol, double-click the report line or graphic to display the original transaction or a detail report for the selected report line or graphic within a separate window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.